What is up, you guys? Welcome. I hope you're doing amazing. Today we are making pasta chips. If you are as obsessed with TikTok as I am sure you have seen this viral trend. What can I say? I am intrigued, and that's why we are about to make some pasta chips. And you know, we're gonna shush them up a little to make them extra delicious. So hang in there and let's get started. First step, grab your pasta and cook it. I'm gonna use this pasta from Barilla. I love this brand. I'm a huge Barilla fan. Okay, you guys, the pasta is done, and before we pop it in the air fryer, we're gonna spice it up a little. Okay, how should we season them, you guys? To be honest, I think I'm just gonna go wild. Why not? Let's do it. Okay, first up we need olive oil, and then I found this Italian seasoning blend at the store. I think that's perfect. The ingredients are oregano, basil, sage, rosemary, and 3 other ingredients I cannot pronounce, I apologize. But yeah, this Italian seasoning blend will go really well with the pasta chips. I think I want to make them super garlicky and cheesy. Let's do this. Garlic powder is a must. If you plan on kissing someone after you use garlic powder, just don't. Then you need nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor. And I want to add buffalo sauce. I'm sure that's gonna taste good, right? For a little extra, what's the word, kick? I don't know. But let's add buffalo sauce. I'm sure it's gonna taste so fire. We're gonna air fry them at 400 for 10 minutes, but I'm gonna do a quick check at 5 minutes just to, you know, see what's going on and to make sure the pasta chips are doing just fine. So let's do this. Okay, you guys, we're gonna dip the chips in vegan ranch and marinara sauce. So for the plant-based ranch, I bought this one from Hidden Valley. I had it before and I really like it. It is one of my favorite plant-based ranch brands out there. If you haven't tried it yet, check it out. I think you'll love it. For the marinara sauce, I got just the one from Barilla. Okay, you guys, let's try it. You hear the crunch? They are really good. Such a fun appetizer. They are very tasty. If you've tried them before, let me know in the comments how you seasoned them. I am sure I'll make them again. So tasty. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your week.